Buyers, this video is for you. This is 11735 Albatross. It's on the market, offering all closing costs to a buyer. And you know what we're seeing? And we actually talked to a bunch of buyers at the open house. They were like, I'm kind of afraid to make an offer. I feel like I would insult someone if I came in low, so I'd rather not do it. Why? Oh, because in January, February, when I was putting in offers and I was getting declined left and right, I'm just nervous to do it. Those days are long and gone. We were so programmed as buyers to be scared to make an offer unless you came way over asking and offered all these monies towards appraisal. You don't have to do that. Do not be afraid to put in an offer. Now I'm going to use my house as an example. Priced good, but we're already telling you we're offering all your closing costs for this house, 11735 Albatross, no CDD. So we're actually opening the red carpet to tell you, put an offer on this. You should never be afraid to put an offer on a house in this market, especially when you have all these days on the market. And not for nothing, a lot of the houses out there are not marketed correctly and the photos don't look so good. And that's where you need to really take advantage of it. So you are programmed as a buyer to be like, oh, I'm not going to be able to get a house because I couldn't get one in January and February. That's not the same market. Those days are long and gone. Don't be afraid to make offers, especially when you see a house already offering you everything. Take advantage. Beautiful house here, open house weekend. Talk to you soon.